How to make an Aquarius man fall in love with a Gemini woman. The bond between an Aquarius man and a Gemini woman is naturally magnetic, intellectual, adventurous, and unpredictable. Yet, turning attraction into real love requires understanding how his unique mind and heart work. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are 7 key ways to make an Aquarius man fall in love with a Gemini woman deeply and sincerely. 1. Engage his mind. An Aquarius man loves stimulating conversations. Talk about new ideas, technology, or the mysteries of the universe. Show him your intelligence and curiosity. A Gemini woman's quick wit naturally fascinates him. 2. Be independent. He values freedom above all else. Never appear too dependent or possessive. Let him see that you have your own goals and passions. Independence makes him respect and desire you even more. 3. Stay mysterious. Keep him guessing. Reveal your thoughts slowly and keep a touch of intrigue around you. Aquarius men enjoy discovering layers in their partner's personality. Mystery keeps the connection alive. 4. Add spontaneity. Aquarius is drawn to excitement and originality. Surprise him with unexpected plans, clever ideas, or playful challenges. Your lively Gemini energy keeps him constantly intrigued. 5. Support his dreams. He often has strong beliefs and humanitarian goals. Encourage his passions and share in his vision for the future. A Gemini woman who genuinely understands his ideals earns his lasting admiration. 6. Communicate honestly. Be open yet tactful. Speak your mind clearly, but avoid unnecessary drama. Aquarius men appreciate calm, intelligent communication. Your honesty builds emotional trust. 7. Be patient with his emotions. He doesn't fall in love quickly. Let the connection grow naturally without pressure. When he feels safe and understood, his affection becomes steady and loyal. To make an Aquarius man fall in love with a Gemini woman, focus on mental connection, independence, and trust. Together, they can create a relationship full of laughter, discovery, and genuine love, one that thrives on both freedom and deep emotional understanding. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.